Hi and welcome to Writing in English at University. My name is Cecilia.
And I'm Sato.
And I'm Ellen. We all teach English at Lund University and we will be your teachers throughout this course.
This course is divided into 4 modules. In Module 1, we will explore some of the basics of academic writing, and in Module 2, we will look at how to go about structuring your writing. Module 3 deals with the issue of reading and using secondary sources in your writing, and here you'll also get to meet the librarians. Finally, Module 4 has been designed as a toolbox with different tips and tricks to make you a better writer.
You'll be able to find everything you need to know about the course as well as other useful links and information in the next step of this lecture. We strongly encourage you to visit the forum during the course. If you have any questions, you'll be able to ask them there as well as interact with other learners who are taking the course with you. Again, welcome to the course and good luck.